Hi, my name's Kim Parker from Plumline Solutions. Your objective today is to learn how a supervisor or manager can approve time and expense documents. First, you will learn the setup requirements for time and expense approvals and then the steps to approve. Prior to approving, you need to configure the software so approvals can be processed. This is usually done by a system administrator. To do this, there are 4 things that need to be set up. The first step is to open Access Rights Maintenance. You must give rights to the necessary web applications. In your example today, the supervisor group has rights to communicator and time and expense approvals. The second step is to assign rights to the approval web services. To do this, click on the Web Service tab. There are many web service rights available. The ones listed here reflect the rights for the time and expense approvals and communicator. Feel free to pause the video to review the rights. Also reference the Web Apps Deployment Guide for specific rights per feature. The third step requires opening time and expense for project setup. Review the Approval Setup tab. Note the default time approver and the default expense report approver. In these examples today, we're going to use the supervisor for the default approver. The fourth and last step is to designate the supervisor in the Employee and Resource Maintenance screen. This is a person that will approve the time and expense documents. For the employee with the documents today, we're going to review the supervisor field. This concludes all the setup needed to approve documents. From the Microsoft Dynamics SL menu in Web Apps, we're going to select Approvals. Notice the queue message alerting the supervisor approvals are available. Next, we'll click Document Approvals. You'll see the same queue message exists here. Notice the Time and Expense section. This will list any time cards or expense ready for the supervisor's approval. In today's example, we have 1 time card and an expense report. Here we have time cards listed, and here expense reports. You can approve, reject, or forward at the document level, or if you choose, you can select the same options at the header level, and it will select all the documents in the screen. Today, we're going to approve everything, so we're going to click Approve. Click Commit Actions, and notice that the screen will be refreshed and no documents will be listed in the screen for approval. This is all you have to do to approve time and expense documents through Microsoft Dynamics SL web application. This concludes our demo for today.